Today we're going to be making these spooky, fake, dripping Halloween candles made from paper rolls. So let's get to it. I used a glue gun, some black acrylic paint, a paintbrush, scissors, paper rolls of various sizes. I used 2 packs of mini glue gun sticks, 3 packs of LED tea lights in black, a plant saucer that I found around the house to use as the base. First I marked off what length I wanted the candles, then used the scissors to cut the paper roll. I ended up making 8 at all different sizes. I used the hot glue to make the dripping wax effect. I went along the whole top and then let it dry. After that had dried, I went in and did a double drip over top of the first one. I also made some small single drips around the whole base of the candle. I had a couple sizes of paper rolls that weren't going to fit the tea lights inside, so I needed to make a bit of a wider base using the hot glue. That way the tea light could just sit on top. You can also glue toilet paper rolls together to get the size you want. Here they are all dried and ready to get painted. I painted the paper roll, working the paint into the areas where all the hot glue was. After 2 coats of paint, this is what it looked like. I wanted to make the candles a little more sturdy, so I filled them with some paper stuffing. I used the tea light as a guide for how far the paper needed to go. I then cut a piece of Bristol board to fit on the inside. After the piece was cut to size, I hot glued it on the inside. This paper roll was a little wider in diameter than the tea light, so I had to use the hot glue to fill it in. I then painted the inside with the black acrylic paint. I made some drip lines on 2 of the tea lights and painted them. These were the ones that were going to sit on top of the paper roll. I sanded down the surface of the plant saucer so that the candles would stick better when gluing them down. I went pretty heavy with the hot glue just to make sure they were secure and to make it look like it was old dripped wax. So everything was all glued and secured, so I went ahead and painted the rest of the bottom with the black acrylic paint. And here it is all painted. I took it outside and used a clear gloss spray paint just to seal it and make it shiny. Two of the paper rolls were too small to hold the tea light, so I used some hot glue to make a flame. And this is what they look like when they were all dry, and I just went ahead and glued them on top of the candlesticks. I turned on the tea lights and then placed them inside the candles. And just to finish it off, I took some fake spider webs and wrapped it around the candles. And here they are, all spooky and ready to scare all your trick-or-treaters, or look good as part of your Halloween decor. Please subscribe, like, share, or leave a comment below if you have any tips or tricks or any ideas for my next videos. Thanks for watching!